we have seen in and around the world, China's market is promising. With that being said, Segunjalo is looking into, potentially investing within China. Attending the Expo in 2024, which is the fourth China International Consumer Product Expo, is for us to seek, partnership to expand on our cooperations within China and to, look at what potential corporations they might be within the fields that we are segmented within. Some of the areas we would look into is digital economy, we would look into technology, sustainability, and other fields that the company is involved in.
The first time that we've come to the Expo. We heard about it obviously because the whole new Hainan drive for the duty-free and tax-free zone made it very appealing for us to maybe come and try this out. So far we've very much enjoyed it because the attendance has been very high. There's a lot of people here, but not just private sort of individuals that are interested in the products, but also the opportunity to cooperate with local businesses. So it's been very interesting for our first time in Hainan.